Alright, let's see what this does. I mean, not on this machine, but all day. I was playing these games that other machines don't have, trying to get the bonus on every different game. So this is the last one. I don't know, it was 60 in here. Doubled up at the last place, so I mean, for the day, I'm about even-ish. Drinks and tips down probably like $20, but hopefully this will be a little bit better. Maybe a retrigger, maybe another car, dresses, something. I feel like this should have been better, but not really. It's the 10 times over here. Yeah, basically. 10 times on the nose, last spin. Oh, yeah, okay, there it is, a $4 one. I was like, I thought those cards would come out again. Go back to back. Alright, so $39. Basically 60, I think. R.I.P. Larry Miller. UNC legend, Caddy legend. And these were all clear. All done.